been not halfway to work, didn't have the camera on. Good morning. Happy spring. It's 39 degrees. 39 degrees on the frigid morning commute to work. Everything is awesome. I just got back from another Italian vacation. Everyone's wondering where the hell I've been. I've been busy, okay? I've been busy working. The normal job that I do. And things got real. And it's the last 6 months have been an everyday situation. And if I'm not at work, I'm asleep. So I finally took a vacation. Back to Italy. That's it. That's all I got to talk about. So thanks for watching. Meeting motorcycles. Where the hell have I been? No. That's not it. Yeah, so I haven't put out a video in a long time. And it's not because I haven't wanted to. Some would say, you know, I'm just lazy, but I've been busy. I work in a kitchen. And you go through kind of ebbs and flows of being staffed up and everything moving smoothly, and then the bottom falling out. and you end up working every day. And it's been a crazy few months. For those that know me personally, they know exactly what the hell happened. And now things are kind of mellowing out a little bit, enough for me to take a vacation. So I haven't posted in several months because of that. And yeah, I've been recording the whole time. Been recording. Just when I get home after work, it's like I sit down and go, oh yeah, let's bang out a video. Let's fire up the computer, spend hours editing. And then when I have a good day off, it's really spent sleeping and recovering. So if you're thinking about getting into this business, kids, maybe look into another line of work. So yeah, thanks to everybody that reached out. It was some very nice people have reached out on YouTube in the comments like, hey man, everything okay? You still alive? I guess when you do a motovlog and then someone stops posting, then, you know, there's always a chance for something bad to have happened. And I heard recently there was a girl motovlogger that had a crash and died, and that's horrible. So thanks for people who were checking in that only knew me from there. Yes, I'm still here. Things are still okay. We'll try to get back to our normally scheduled content of me blabbering in New York City and occasionally cooking something. And that's it. That's it, guys. Meeting motorcycles update. Where the hell have I been? I've been right here the whole time. All you had to do was click your heels together 3 times and say, meeting motorcycles. And I'm back. Now just a little more angry. So, prepare yourselves. Alright? Okay, that's all I got for you. Pieces. Come on. Hey. Thank you. What's going on here? Your parade? Cop parade? Be fooled by a long line of police cars. They will still pull you over. They're not gonna screw up their... Go ahead. Go past the speed limit and see what 8 cops do to you. Grand Caravan.